In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to handwrite on Google Docs. First things first, let's head over to Google Docs. Simply open up your web browser and type in Google Docs, or if you prefer, you can access it directly through your Google account by selecting it from the Apps menu. Once you're there, you'll want to start a new document, so go ahead and click on Document. This will take you to a blank page where all the magic will happen. Now that you're in a new document, the next step is to navigate to the toolbar at the top of your screen. You'll see an option labeled Insert. Go ahead and click on this. The Insert menu is your gateway to adding various elements like images, charts, and of course, drawings to your document. Once you've clicked on it, look for the option that says Drawing. Clicking on Drawing will present you with two more options, and you'll want to choose New. This opens up a new window for creating a drawing, which is what we'll use to bring your handwriting to life. With the drawing window open, it's time to unleash your creativity. But first, click on the line tool. Now you'll notice several line styles pop up, but for handwriting, you're going to want to select Scribble. The Scribble tool is perfect for freehand drawing, allowing you to mimic the flow and flair of handwriting. Now, let's get to writing. With the Scribble tool selected, you can now click and move your mouse or trackpad across the canvas to start writing. Don't worry about making mistakes. This space is your personal sketch pad. You can write anything you like, from your name to a quote, or even practice your cursive if you're up for a bit of nostalgia. Take your time and have fun with it. Once you're satisfied with your handwritten masterpiece, it's time to bring it back into your document. To do this, you'll want to click on Save and Close at the top right corner of the drawing window. This action will snap your handwritten creation right into the Google Doc, just like that. It's now a part of your document, and you can resize or move it around as needed. And there you have it, folks, a simple and effective way to add a personal touch to your Google Docs with handwriting. This feature is not only useful for creative projects, but also adds a unique and individual flair to any document you're working on. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Happy writing!